Hello friends and family, happy Valentine's Day to you all. I cooked all day. I made some soup, some tomato soup. I made some salmon, smoked salmon on a toast, says heart. I made some avocado with shrimps and paper flakes. Made pasta. And for dessert, puff pastry with banana and apple. So good. So I'm gonna try the soup now. Soup is tomato soup. It's spicy. Spicy is good for Valentine's Day. Schlup gets you in the mood. Sugar. I was waiting all day to eat that. Mama said, don't talk with your mouth full. The avocado is completely succulently ripe. And the creme fresh. So good with it. I think I like this more. And the salmon. It's so good. It is so good. I have some grapes. These ones are seedless. They're so juicy. Put them in the fridge for half an hour. And then you can bring it out. That is it. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Now I'm going to try the penne. The penne is made from lentils and they taste so delicious. I like a lot of cheese on my pasta, so let it rain, cheese, Parmesan cheese. So let's see. It's so good. It's really good. So let me have another bite. I could eat all of this, but I still have dessert. My puff pastry is still in the oven. Baking, yay. It's like you guys are watching me eat, but you can really cook this by yourself at home. Enjoy with your friends and family. But one more thing, a little bacon is not gonna hurt anyone. Oh my God, my doctor is gonna kill me. But little bacon once a year, it's okay. Bon appetit. So now I'm gonna take a break and then I'm gonna see if the puff pastry is ready. I cannot wait because the kitchen smells so fantabulous. So I'll see you later. I'm still enjoying this and I'll show you my puff pastry in a minute. Bye. So now my puff pastry is ready with this little hard thing. Jello. And my chocolate. So let's dig in. Yes, with a spoon, because there's lots of goodies to get in. It's really good. I always have, did you hear that? Always have mint on your dessert. It freshens your breath. So good. It's so good. Cheers again. I hope you enjoyed this food I made, the menu. They're not really fattening, but since I'm only doing Valentine's Day once a year, I could still eat. So next time, join me. I'm gonna make some more delicious stuff. It's so lekker. It's so lekker. Lekker means delicious. It's really good. So let's see if my date is here. I'm really gonna see one. Thanks for watching. See you next time on ChefAda TV.